I'm Derek.
I'm Robin.
Robin, nice to meet you.
you.
Likewise.
Good.
So tell me a little bit about what's going on.
Well,
I know you said he's jumping on you.
yes. And what scares me is trying to teach him to do that. He's jumping on my mom, and my mom's real little.
Right.
80.
Right.
So
You don't want him to hurt her.
I don't want him to hurt her. He loves her to death, but that's how he's showing his affection. Also, when I leave the house, it's such a thing.
What kind of
He
thing?
tries to run out with me.
Okay.
So unless I leave the balcony door open so that he can see me leaving, that's the only way I'm able to go.
All right.
And I don't want to keep leaving the balcony door open.
Right.
Just basics, like just to be an obedient dog.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about the aggression.
When he meets new people,
Mm-hmm.
he's not always a fan.
Well,
He loves women.
Loves women. How is he with males?
He was great with my boyfriend. He was great with my brother. My brother was actually able to
Handle him?
and this was like within the last. I've only been here a month. Within the last month, he was great with my sister-in-law. They also own a dog, so they have an idea.
Tell me with the people he was not so great with.
Strangers,
Strange people he doesn't know.
yeah, people he doesn't know.
They just walk up on him,
No,
or they just come in the house.
if somebody like if you were to go and I'm not there, he'll probably start barking.
Okay.
If I'm in the house with you, with him, and you came to the door and knocked, he would go bananas.
Okay.
Not necessarily to bite, just to bark and to be. What's the word? He's not a biter.
He's just barking,
just a.
but he hasn't lunged at anybody.
No.
Okay. Does he have a favorite treat?
Yes, he does.
Okay.
And of course, I didn't bring them with me.
Oh, you don't have any treats for him?
I do. They're in the house.
No, that's great.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Can you bring me the treats and then bring him back outside for me?
Okay. Because that